Come along with me as I ride around Cades Cove in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We may see some wild turkey or bears, deer, and we're sure to see some beautiful old homes and wildflowers. Some beautiful mountains. Even the clouds were showing out this day. Sit back, get your favorite beverage, and just have a relaxing ride around with me. Enjoy the quiet. I'll come back in when there's something to point out. The wild turkeys were really strutting their stuff. They were in rare form with their tail feathers out, trying to attract a mate. There were lots of daffodils or Lent lilies, or we call them Easter flowers, that were blooming all over Cades Cove. It was so beautiful. Oh, those beautiful blue mountains really do my heart good. And those clouds are the handiwork of God as well. It just looks like a beautiful painting. There are 3 historic churches that are in the cove. You can go and visit. In this area, you can really see why it's called the Great Smoky Mountains. You can see the mist or haze when you see the different mountain ranges. In this big open area, I felt like I was sitting in the palm of God's hand, looking at His huge creation. It's just hard to describe how it feels to be in the middle of all those beautiful mountains. There are many places to pull off and get out and walk in the fields or just take in the beautiful view. This one had several spots you could park, but there's also an occasional pullover so that you can let others that are riding behind you get around you. On the loop, there's also a visitor center. You can find books about the Smoky Mountains and the Cove, patches, and hiking trail maps, and other things to commemorate your trip. There's also a kiosk that you can see information about the park, about the wildflowers that are blooming. There's also activities that are going on at the time and some programs that are offered, safety concerns about bears and such, and also some of the birds that you'll see in the area. And an old settlement type area that you can see, a water mill and some homes. And if you're really lucky and you look close, you might see my Aunt Pauline in an orange shirt. She loves Cades Cove. There are about a dozen old homes that you can tour that are in Cades Cove. You can go in them and see some buildings around them that may have been used during that time. They're really cool and worth taking the time to see. There are plenty of times that you will follow along the streams and rivers through the cove. They are so peaceful. I also love seeing the shadows that the clouds leave on the mountains. Another wild turkey out on its own. Seeing the little group of deer in the woods this close to me was probably my favorite thing that I saw in the cove today. It was a beautiful day in Cades Cove to get out and get fresh air and see God's beautiful handiwork. Unfortunately, we didn't see any bears, but that's for another time. After that wonderful drive, I had lunch at a very special place in Townsend, Tennessee. It's a place called the Abbey and was once a church and a wedding venue. Now it is a restaurant. You can sit inside or outside on their patio which is where we chose. It was a beautiful day, so we had our late lunch there. They had good food, and I had really good company. I was with my Aunt Pauline and Cousin Doug. Thank you for going on this journey with me today. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I put out a new video. Come along with me and let's have many more journeys together.